Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain who consistently achieves market leadership. We'll dive into the core elements that allow certain entities to dominate their fields year after year. You'll learn about the unique approaches and strategic decisions that set these leaders apart, providing a clear understanding of what it takes to stay at the top. This isn't just about being good, it's about being consistently exceptional. So, what exactly defines an entity that does the most? It's often a combination of factors. We're talking about significant market share, sometimes over 50%, indicating widespread adoption. It also involves a robust pipeline of patented innovations, showcasing a commitment to advancing their field. Furthermore, deep customer loyalty and strong brand recognition are invaluable assets, alongside consistent financial growth. How do these leaders achieve and maintain their position? One key strategy is relentless investment in research and development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They also prioritize understanding and responding to customer needs, ensuring their offerings remain highly relevant. Cultivating a strong, adaptable organizational culture is vital for navigating change, and strategic collaborations often unlock new opportunities and market segments. Maintaining leadership isn't a one-time achievement. It requires ongoing effort. Successful entities constantly adapt to evolving market dynamics, embracing change rather than resisting it. They foster a culture of continuous improvement, always seeking ways to enhance their products and processes. Diversifying their portfolio helps mitigate risks, and upholding strong ethical standards builds invaluable long-term trust with customers and stakeholders alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.